Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome back to kind of a midweek vlog. We're going to cover a couple of cool things, some things that we ran across this week, update on the four-wheelers, and one quick announcement that I did want to give you guys. If you remember our friend CJ, they came and visited the Schickster, aka Schick Happens. Super guy. Well, he put up his own YouTube page, and it's up and running. It's at Schick Happens. And honestly, he's better at putting togethers than me. I mean, that's probably not saying a whole lot, but anyways, he's got some really cool videos. My favorites are his opening channel trailer and the 5 tips to make your wife happy or something along those lines, and cooking burgers and brats. But his goal is just to make people chuckle. And those videos are nothing like the Schick Happens videos we had here on our farm. So I'll put some links down in the description if you'd like to check them out, maybe sub, whatever you want to do. I appreciate it. Also, Mrs. Kapper's got an update video on the Kentucky farmhouse rehab. It's
Well, I don't think we're going to be using this too much more. Hey CJ, if you need a new phone, if you want to upgrade from your flip phone, I could send this to you if you want.
It's just completed. It'll probably be up today or tomorrow. She just wanted to put a couple finishing touches on it. So with that, we'll get on to the midweek vlog. Today is August 12th, and we just had a nice little rain. Food plots are coming along slowly, but each step is getting done in place. So let's go see what we've been up to. All right, so I'm out in an area near our home, and we dug up some turtle eggs, accidentally, of course, but wow. They're you could feel like they're solid, almost like it's a full critter in there, because you can't hardly squeeze them. So I think what we'll do is, once we finish digging, we'll put them back down there and wish them the best. But I've never seen them like this. It's pretty sweet. Wonder how they taste. Yeah, just kidding. All right, well, we'll get them back, but that's pretty cool. All right, I'm taking Optimus Prime out. First time for a mission. It's Sunday, August 11th, and we'll see how she goes. Well, here's how the corn looks down in our area. Of course, not my corn, but I just read from the USDA site that 19 million farm acres were unable to be harvested across 12 states in the Midwest. So best of luck to all them farmers. Hopefully the weather's going to level out a little bit. Okay, this is just kind of a sneak peek look at a project I did this weekend. One of my neighbors needed some help around their farm with the excavator, so we went over, had a little bit of fun, did some digging, moved some logs and stuff, and it was a good project. But I'll put up a full project video here in the future. Okay, the Honda Big Red update. This is a 2013 Honda that I just bought used from Polaris dealer, and we used it for just a little while. Noticed an oil leak, and turns out it had a major oil leak because the side cap came off, which you'll see here in a second, off of it's either the crankcase or the transmission case. But coincidentally, right at the same time, it started really missing really bad and running like it was in limp mode. So I brought it back in, and here you could see is once we figured out this was where the oil was coming from, because it was blowing all over. So we were struggling to identify it until we're like, duh, look at this gaping hole on the side here. So anyways, They took it into the Honda dealership, Polaris did, and Honda's like, there's no way that cap came off by itself. There's no way. And I said, I don't give a shit what Honda says. I didn't touch that cap. Maybe the previous owner messed with it or whatever. But at this point, Honda says yes, it probably needs a new cam. But Polaris is willing to split the bill with us since we bought a new Polaris from them. And then meanwhile, I have this Honda Pioneer to use, but honestly, I'm afraid to use it because during this exchange, there was a comment about a new gash that was in the Big Red, which we didn't make one really. So I don't know what that was about. So I'm kind of afraid to use this Honda. We just use it putzing around the yard, and that's it. I'm not even taking it in the woods. So, and the Polaris new part should be here. It should be shipped on August 15th, the new fan assembly for that overheating recall. So hopefully we'll have that back here within about a week or a week and a half and try to get back to normal on our UTV machines. Okay, and that's it for this last weekend. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to check out Schick Happens channel, see if you like it, maybe give him a few subscribers because he's trying really hard. And I think he's making some cool videos. And soon I'll put up this project video of the excavator work that we did this weekend because we did a lot of stuff, so it was fun. So we'll catch you on the next go around. I appreciate it. Kapper out.